Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Developer channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the password of the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to. So what you have to do first is swipe down from the top and then tap and hold on to your Wi-Fi icon. Now find the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. This is the one that I'm currently connected, and tap on the settings or gear icon right next to it. Now from here, tap on QR code from the bottom, and then take a screenshot of this QR code by pressing the volume down and the power button on your phone. Now what you have to do is open any browser, and in the address bar type in ZXING, tap on go, and then tap on the first link, which is zxing.org. Now in here, what you have to do is tap on choose file, and then tap on only this time or while using the app, any one of them, and then you don't need to allow record audio. Now tap on files. Now select the screenshot that we have just taken and scroll to the side a bit, and then tap on submit. And as you can see here, right next to the result, this is the name of my Wi-Fi network, which is Leopard Wi-Fi, and then the WPA is the security, and right below that is the password. So the password is the VC112233, and that is how you can find the password of your connected Wi-Fi. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.